Hello students, this video we are going to see how to draw the projection of points, orthographic planes. So here we are going to consider only the points, first angle only. So here the question is given. The question is given like this. So this is from the top, you are going to see it now. While seeing it from the top, this is a way a point A is 20 mm above HP, 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. 30 mm in front of VP and 20 mm above HP. The point will be here. So from the top view, if you are going to see, means the point is here. It will be located at here. This is point A. Okay, and next the same point while seeing from the front view, I just tilt this portion. While seeing from the front view, it will be projected at here. So this is the point. So this is A dash. For front view, always we need to mark it as dash, A dash, and this is A. Now I am just tilting it 90 degree. Already I said 90 degree clockwise direction. Okay, so this both the points will be lying in a same line. Now I am just going to draw the projection line like this. It will be crossing the XY line here. This is the XY line and this is 30 mm and this is 20 mm because it is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So like that the point problem is drawn. Next, I am just going to give a point which is lying on HP and VP. How will you imagine? Which is lying on both the planes. If the question is given like that, means say the same point, it has to touch both the point here. So it will be at here. While tilting, I can see on the XY line itself the point will be lying. On the XY line itself the point will be lying. So I need to draw it. Another one question is given. If a point it is on HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So it will be on here itself. So while seeing from the top view, it will be touching here, and while seeing from the front view, it will be lying on the XY line. So the front view will be on the XY line and the top view will be below the XY line. So this is what here. Next one. If a point which is lying on VP and 30 mm above HP. So it will be here. Lying on VP and 30 mm above HP. So the point will be at here. So if the point is at here, means while seeing from the front view, it will be touched at here. While seeing from the top view, it will be lying on the XY line. So this is the top view and this is the front view. So like that, we need to mark it. So we can see how to proceed the problem. So first question, it is given as 30 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. That is the question given. So before proceeding, we need to draw a lengthy XY line. We need to draw a lengthy XY line. Suppose in your AnnaUniversity question, it will be given for a 20 marks, the point problem is asked, means what we need to do. So this point problem is not worth for a 20 marks. So how they will ask it is, they will ask 5 question or 4 question. Each will be carrying 4 marks or 5 marks, like that. So I just going to mark it as X, Y, and this is X. Okay, and above the XY line always VP, vertical plane will be there, and below the XY always horizontal plane will be there. I just marked it. And if the 4 or 5 questions are asked, means all the 4, each question will be having the equal intervals. For example, the interval is not given in the question, means we can maintain 25 mm or 30 mm. With the average interval, we can mark it like this. First, I am just going to draw a projection line on this point. I am just going to mark a point on here. I am just going to mark a projection line, a thin projection line like this. And after this, I am just going to mark it here. This is 20 mm above, a point on it, and 30 mm in front and a point on it. I am going to mark it here. This is A dash and this is A, and I am going to make the dimensioning. So the dimensioning is very important. So look at here how I am making the dimension. The dimensioning line will be with even interval. So here I am just making and approximately 1 centimeter, that means 10 millimeter of distance. I am just marking the dimensioning. So this is 20 and this is 30. I just mark like this. So this is the way of proceeding the point problem. And another question I told, a point which is lying on both VP and HP, and I am going to make the equal interval. So I just going to make 40 mm distance. I am just marking it here. So this is the point. So this is B dash and this is B. That's all. The second question is over. Okay, here we can easily say the point B dash front view and the B is the top view, both are lying on a same plane, XY line, that is B vertical plane and horizontal plane. It is touching both the